like 75 degrees at 10 in the morning.
We're on Dimma Lake, and it is calm and hot, so we're having a floating lunch, even though we're on a lake.
I enjoy about 10 miles an hour wind right now.
I enjoyed about gale force and about -10 degrees. That might be a little exaggerated. How's your laundry going?
Fine.
Yeah, ours is pretty stinky too.
The 5 main lakes of the Kazan are linked by fast-moving sections of river. Some of these sections are kilometers of continuous whitewater. The water was high and pushy. Fortunately, we were able to find our way through most rapids by staying close to shore and avoiding large standing waves.
Well, I never had a place that I could call my very own, but that's alright, my love, 'cause you're my home. When you touch my weary head and you tell me everything will be alright, you say, use my body.
What are you working on there, bud?
Dumplings.
Well, I'll never be a stranger and I'll never be alone. Wherever we're together, that's my home. Home can be the Pennsylvania Turnpike.
Cheese sauce? Oh my gosh. The brainchild of Kyle Johnson and Brad West. Executed by the man himself, KJ Hemming at gmail.com.
On the afternoon of day 13, we saw a remarkable amount of wildlife. Towards the end of a 50-kilometer paddle, we came across 13 muskox grazing along the shore. At the end of the day, while cooking a dessert, a large grizzly bear wandered within 15 feet of our tundra tarp. Unfortunately, it was between us and our camera. Once it smelled us, it ran off, but during the 2-kilometer portage the following day, we were guided by the eerily fresh tracks of grizzly paws.
Highway 40 days and nights. I ain't complaining, it's my job and it suits me right. Got a sweet soul fever rushing round my head, and I'm gonna sleep tonight in Maria's bed.
We saw a bear, or I saw a bear first, said it really quiet. Next thing you know, it walked past us, everybody stared blankly, and then it sniffed us, looked right at me apparently, and then went.
There was a grizzly bear 15 feet from you, and you were in between it and flavored Crisco.
Hey, hey. Hey, hey. I've been up on Sugar Mountain, across the sweet blue sea. I walk the valley of loving, tears and mystery. I gotta run out of luck and get myself up for dead, and I drank the cool, clear waters from Maria's bed. Hey, hey.
Yathkede Lake was a turning point of the trip. After 2 weeks of incredibly hot, stagnant, and smoky air, the temperature dropped and the smoke disappeared. It remained calm, however, and we were able to cross our largest lake in one day.
Another super calm day on our really big lake. This is Yathkede, our largest lake, and we're about to start a 30K crossing to get to the other side in one day. And we were supposed to have 4 days on it, but it's so calm that I decided to do this.
Well, I take my blessings at the riverhead. I'm living in the light of Maria's bed. Hey, hey. Yeah, hey. Hey, hey.
Say, Brad.
It's gonna be delicious!